Hello everyone! Today I have an exciting video to share with you guys. Hair damage can be caused by overstyling, exposure to the elements, and bad hair care habits. Even poor physical health can take its toll on the condition of hair. Excellent hair care is essential not only for aesthetic purposes, but also for our general hygiene. By maintaining healthy hair, we can elevate our appearance and guarantee optimal health for both our hair and scalp. Hey viewers, in this video, I'm spilling the tea on how to give your hair the tender, loving care it deserves. Say goodbye to damage and hello to a heavenly hair care routine. So start the video. Ready, set, go! So you have decided it's time to start taking better care of your hair. Maybe you want your locks to grow faster, be shinier, or look less damaged after years of coloring. Step number 1. Determine your hair type. Your hairs may be oily, dry, normal, or wavy. Or it may be straight, curly, thick, or fine. Step number 2. Gather your hair products. Hair care routine must have shampoo and conditioner based on hair type. Number 2. Microfiber towel. Number 3. A high-quality hair dryer with adjustable heat settings. Number 4. Heat protection spray or cream. Number 5. Styling products, spray, gel, etc. Number 6. Paddle brush. Step number 3. Determine when to wash your hair. Establish a hair care routine. Begin with a wash routine after identifying your hair type and requirements. Ideally, you should wash your hair no more than 3 times a week. This will also change depending on your hair type. Like if you have dry hair, it's advisable to shampoo twice a week. If you have thick or curly hair, washing it twice a week is sufficient. Women with oily hair can cleanse their hair thrice a week. Step number 4. Drying and styling your hair. Here's how to. Number 1. Soak up excess water with a microfiber towel. Number 2. If using a hair dryer or diffuser, apply hair protection first and dry accordingly. Number 3. Paddle brush or round brush can be used if trying to style the hair. Here's tips for keeping your locks luscious and healthy. Number 1. Trim your hair regularly to keep it healthy. Number 2. Do your best not to touch your hair. Number 3. Protect your hair from the sun. Number 4. Apply natural remedies to your hair. For instance, olive oil. Warm olive oil helps moisturize dry hair. Tea. Brewed tea when unsweetened can enhance natural hair color and add shine. Coconut oil. This serves as a natural conditioner. Honey. This natural moisturizer can help strengthen hair follicles. Creating a hair care routine involves some trial and errors. But once you find the right regimen, you can achieve the hair you desire. And that's a wrap for this video. Make sure to give your locks some love by trying out these hair care tricks to achieve luscious, healthy strands. Now, go forth and shine. Join the VIP list for my precious vids and hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching. If you have any other video suggestions, please comment down below. Bye bye and take care. Love you all.